Tomorrow, we're off to the Noosa Enduro, a 100-kilometre mountain bike race through the Noosa hinterland.
Oh, mate. We've had the crappiest weather. It's freezing. What are you talking about? Fucking crazy Victorians. It's up here.
Cool, so we don't do the
We don't do that bit. That's good. Fuck riding up this. Fucking wet.
It's pretty loose.
Wet tree roots and sand. Guys, we're 10k's into the Noosa Enduro. I'm hanging out here with Tom and Evan back there. We've had fun already. It's been a bit of a swamp fest, hasn't it, boys? Where would we rather be on a Sunday? Evan said he'd much rather be back in Melbourne and it's 3 degrees and raining. Which is weird, but you know, he's a Victorian, so we'll let him off. But yeah, we have had a little bit of a shower come through, but it looks like it's clearing up, which will be good. But yeah, the course is still pretty wet. We're just moseying along. We're contemplating coffee and donuts. Coffee and donuts at the Pomona Bakery.
Left, left, left. I was wondering if that had happened. Can't teach an old dog new tricks, eh?
Hey, the light's terrible. We're about, what, 30k's in? 30k's in and about to attack the fun part of the day, where we've got about 10 kilometres of climbing.
Car up.
Car. We've got about 10k's of climbing and the steepest part of the course, which is Mother Mountain. I think that's short for motherfucking mountain, isn't it?
Yeah. MS Mountain.
Yeah.
A bit rough old mate walking here.
He's in for a long day. So we're gonna go and suck in some big ones, get our hiker bike on. Oh, the steepness is real. Mother Mountain.
It's cool.
Yep. This is the part where you regret your carbon soles and your life choices. I try and block it out every year, mentally.
And it's like it's almost like rock climbing. Like you got to like go there with a mate and pass your bike up. And
Oh.
you pass it up and then carry it up like a ledge.
Well, we've made it up Mother Mountain somehow. Evan's debating whether it hits 50% or not. Right now, I'd agree with him.
It's 100% too hard.
Yeah, 100% too hard. Solid hiker bike. So now we've got a long, steady climb to the top. About 5 to go. Nothing like that again. And then we hit posties. You know why it's called posties? Because you got to send it. Lick the stamp and send it. Yep, that's it. quickly. Oh, this bit. Hey! That was fucking point and hope. Well, we're back into the swamp, I guess. Fuck it. I'm already committed to it. Oh, this bit's top. Okay. Yeah, that's where the concrete slab used to be. That fucking little downhill, it was just like, point it and hope for the best. Well, we're over halfway. We've done 54 Ks. We conquered Mother Mountain. We conquered the Paddock of Doom. Is that what we're going to call that paddock? The Paddock of Doom. And we're about to take on Simpsons Track, which is the last of the, I guess you'd say, really hard bits. Sort of climb up this range and then across the top, drop down the other side, and then we're back into the, what are we going to call that first? Swampy bit. We need to give that a name, because all we've come up with is the shit bit so far. The creativity's lacking this morning. What's that dance floor? Keph's dance floor. Oh, there's lots of pretty colours on that. The climb thing on the Garmin's just come up. We've got red, yellow, very dark red, yellow, green, basically black. They're just going to teach us all how to climb. We are slowly making our way up the Simpsons Track climb. It's been super fun riding with Tom and Ev, even though they've just dropped me like the ugly bloke at the school dance. Of course, today it's been really tough in places from the rain, just boggy and tacky, really slippery. We've all had a couple of moments. Tom had a little lie down in the mud, and we've all had a point shoot and hope for the best and come out sunny side up so far. We've got to get way back over there. That's Noosa. Unreal view. I don't think you're going to see it because I've messed up the white balance and it looks like a snowstorm. Hopefully I can edit better than I can take video, which I can't. Well, we're nearly at the top of Simpsons Track. This is the false top. Which false top is this, Tom?
The first false top.
Yep. First of 63 false tops. Yeah.
False top, rather.
Yeah. Once we hit the steepies. Evan's cleaning his bike at the top of the hill.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm really bothering.
Nah, it's amusing though.
I'm like, I'll get that bit of grass out. That might help.
He's looking for grams, micrograms. We're 75 k's in, done all the fun bits. Now we're back into the swampy forest. Gone through the last checkpoint or aid station or whatever we're calling it this week, and we're just chipping away. Of course, it's still down here really wet, but it sort of fluctuates between absolutely soggy and to perfect, depending on where you are on the course. But that's just all part of the fun. Our bikes definitely need a bath. Well, I'll be back. This hill is new to the Enduro mountain bike course. It's just a long, grindy 2 or 3 k'er, yeah, 4 or 5% average. It's got some steeper bits in it. We're about halfway up. Got to take the bad days with the good days, but god damn it, they are humbling. What have we got? At 20 k's to go. My legs are done. Beautiful scenery though. Strange place to have a sit down, Tom.
Strange place to have a paddle as well. Yeah.
Don't you need a boat to have a paddle?
I mean, it would have come in handy.
Some floaties would definitely have come in handy. Well, we made it to the finish in one piece.
Sort of.
Sort of. Kinda. Oh, we're in one piece. Awesome day out. Super fun. Super squishy.
A bit wet.
We all had a couple of moments. Tom had a little lie down at one stage. Evan came very close. I came extremely close. Where would you rather be on a Sunday? Can't believe it was raining this morning. Look at it now.
Glorious day.
So go get some food.
Yeah. Let's go get some to eat.